Hi, first class. Today is the start of a new topic in our Gaeilge, and Aimsir, the weather. I'm going to ask you to do page 37 and 38 in your Buna Kainta. So let's watch the video first. I'll do a bit of translation for you. Then I'll give you a bit of help with the 2 pages. And then there's a little activity at the end that you can do at the end of the video. Okay, let's get started.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé te agus term. Tá an dhrian ag tanmh go háard sa spéir.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé doracha.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé geal.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé floch. Tá sé ag cur báistí.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé scamalach.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé fuair agus gluifer.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé ag cur sneachta.
Okay, let's go through that one more time and I can translate for you.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine.
Cuir ort na spéclaí gréine. Put on the sunglasses. Spéclaí gréine are sunglasses.
Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Féach amach an inneog. Look out of the window. Agus aberlum céan sais lé é. And tell me what kind of day it is.
Tá sé te agus term.
Tá sé te agus tirm. Well, tá sé means it is. Te agus tirm. Hot and dry. It is hot and dry.
Tá an dhrian ag tanmh go háard sa spéir.
Tá an rian ag tanmh go háard sa spéir. That's a nice sentence. And it means the sun is shining high in the sky. Let's listen to the next one.
Cuid ort na spéclaí gréine.
Do you remember what that means? Put on the sunglasses. Cuir ort na spéclaí gréine.
Féach amach an inneog,
Look out the window.
agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
And tell me what kind of day it is.
Tá sé daracha.
It is dark.
Cuid ort na spéaclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Can you figure out what ineog is? An ineog is the window.
Tá sé geal.
Tá sé gal. It is bright. That's why everyone has their sunglasses on outside.
Cuid ort na spéaclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé floch. Tá sé ag cur báistí.
Tá sé floch. It is wet. Tá sé ag cur báistí. It is raining. Whenever you see ag in a sentence, that means the word after is going to be an ing word. Ag cur báistí, raining.
Cuid ort na spéaclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé scamalach.
Well, tá sé scamalach. You should know this one quite well. We say it almost every day in class, and it was very scamalach last week. It is cloudy.
Cuid ort na spéaclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé fuair agus gcuifer.
Fuair agus gcuifer. It is cold and windy. Fuair is cold, gcuifer is windy.
Cuid ort na spéaclaí gréine. Féach amach an inneog, agus aberlum céan sais lé é.
Tá sé ag cur sneachta.
Tá sé ag cur sneachta. Where there's that ag again, so it's an ing word. This ing word is snowing. Tá sé ag cur sneachta. It is snowing. Okay, we're going to have a go, I'm going to have a go at helping you complete page 37 in your buna kainta, be ag leiv. So you have to do some reading. You can watch this video and then have a go at reading on your own with your book.
Bí ag léamh. Tá an lá te.
Tá an lá te. Now, when we say tá an lá, that means the day is. Te is hot. So we say the day is hot, but it means the same as it's a hot day. Although you could say that as well in a different way. Let's listen one more time.
Tá an lá te.
The day is hot. Tá an lá te.
Tá an lá fuair.
Tá an lá fuair. The day is cold.
Tá an lá fuair. Tá an lá flach.
What's flach? Flach means wet. The day is wet.
Tá an lá flach. Tá an lá tirim.
Tá an lá tirim. Tirim means dry.
Tá an lá tirim. Tá an lá gaeilge.
Tá an lá gaeilge. The day is windy.
Tá an lá gaeilge. Tá an lá scamalach.
You should know this one. Scamalach. Cloudy.
Tá an lá scamalach.
Tá an lá scamalach.
Tá an lá geal.
Tá an lá geal. The day is bright.
Tá an lá geal. Tá an lá daracha.
Tá an lá duracha. You can probably tell from the picture. Duracha means dark.
Tá an lá daracha.
Okay. On page 38, Bí ag scríobh. You're going to have to practice a bit of writing. It's quite straightforward, but let's have a go at this activity. It should help you with your book.
Bí ag scríobh. Tá an lá geal.
Tá an lá geal. Can you remember what that means?
An bhá fad.
The day is bright.
Tá an lá scamalach.
Scamalach. That is cloudy. There it is.
An bhá fad. Tá an lá daracha.
Duracha. Duracha. Dark.
An bhá fad. Tá an lá gaeilge.
Gaeilge. Windy.
An bhá fad.
Tá an lá gaeilge.
Tá an lá fuair.
Tá an lá fuair. Fuair means
An bhá fad.
cold. It's very cold at the moment.
Tá an lá tirim.
Tá an lá tirim. What type of day is
An
it?
bhá fad.
Friday.
Tá an lá te.
Te means
An bhá fad.
hot. Te means hot.
Tá an lá flach.
Tá an lá flach. Flach means
An bhá fad.
wet.
Bí ag scríobh.
Okay. Now, that should hopefully help you with page 38 in your Buna Kainta. Let's have a go at one activity before the end of the video. Let me know how you get on.
Cuir ort de spéclí gréine. Féach amach on inog. Agus aberlum cén sais lé é.
Tá an lá te.
Tá an lá te. Which one is te? Well, we have a sun. It looks quite hot there. We have a dry ground. And it looks like we have a bit of fog.
Raus. Cuir ort de spéclí gréine. Féach amach on inog. Agus aberlum cén sais lé é.
Tá an lá flach.
Flach. Which one is that?
Raus. Cuir ort de spéclí gréine. Féach amach on inog. Agus aberlum cén sais lé é.
Tá an lá scamalach.
Scamalach.
Raus. Coir ort de spekli grene. Fech amach on injog. Agus aberlum ken sais le e.
Tá an lá teirem.
Tirim. What is that? Dry.
Raus.
Last one.
Coir ort de spekli grene. Fech amach on injog. Agus aberlum ken sais le e.
Tá an lá duracha.
Duracha.
Raus.
Mark. Okay, first class. I know that was a very long video. Well done for sticking at it. Just before I go, I want to ask you one question. Well, I want to ask you to do one thing, sorry. Feg amag an injog agus aberlum cain sais lee. Look out the window and tell me what kind of day it is. And if you can do it in Irish, even better. Okay, bye from me.